it's Kelly, and I am going to use this photo today of two friends and I at the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta in 2002. It's being totally inspired by that wood veneer balloon, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that later. But first, I'm going to take the photo and I'm going to mat it on that green striped paper, which is from Echo Park's Sweet Baby Boy, the month cards paper, and that was just in my stash of green paper. I did have that navy there because I thought it kind of worked with the blue in the balloons, and I thought I might want to get another another paper in there, maybe using it as a divider strip. So that's why it's there. Now I also just cut the bottom off that yellow paper, which is from that yellow polka dot paper, and that's from Chamel Sparkle City Grab and Go. And then I have this piece of balloon paper. That is a Chamel paper, and I think it's from Starshine, but I'm not positive. It might be from True Stories. It's from the 12 by 12 pad, and I don't have that pad anymore. So I'm not quite sure, but it's one of those two collections. So I decided to use, I'd cut it in 5-inch and 7-inch strips. I decided to use the 5-inch strip on the bottom because I really wanted to be able to embellish above and put the balloons above and really be able to see them. So that's why that happened. That sticker there is a sticker from the Chamel stickers from Starshine, which is a 2015 collection. I need to get that used up. And I just backed it on white cardstock. And I decided instead of using the blue paper that I wanted to use up some washi tape because I have so much of it. You guys, I'm actually at just about at washi tape capacity. Really I am, but I have a couple extra little spaces in the front of my washi tape container I could use. So I need to start using washi tape. That's one of the things I want to use this year as I go through and do my spending freeze and start really working through my stash. Now I'm looking at my True Stories sticker book there just to see if I have anything, and then I remembered as I was doing it that there was a sticker I really wanted to use here, and that sticker says my dream to-do list. I lived in New Mexico at the time and these friends came to visit me, but Balloon Fiesta was a really big thing I wanted to do. So then I'm adding another sticker that says these things happen, another one that says delighted. And then I remembered I wanted, and those came from the phrase stickers came from the, I believe the True Stories collection as well, which I think is a 2014 collection. I added in that Wander sticker, which is from the sticker book from Chamel's original very first collection, which, you know, I don't know, 2013, 2014, whenever that was. And I'm just getting all of that glued down. Now, that balloon is from Dear Lizzie, and it totally inspired this whole layout. I was doing the Scraptember January Stash Bash layout that I needed to do, went through my wood veneer, found this balloon, thought I was going to use it on another layout, ended up remembering as I went, or not remembering, I went through my photographs to find a photograph that worked with this other idea I had in my head, and found this photograph and thought, oh my gosh, I have to use that balloon with that. And I think I have balloon paper somewhere. And all of a sudden I thought it was Chamel, so I grabbed it, my stash, and found it. So this wood veneer, that wood veneer inspired this entire layout. So how cool is that? That a product inspired a layout. Anyway, so back to what I'm doing there. I found that little sticker again from the clear sticker sheet from, I believe, again from Starshine. And back that on the white paper as well. Decided just to use it right here, but I knew I wanted to add something else into it. It's not enough just by itself. So you can't see this, but I'm going through the sticker sheet that I was working with, and I found this butterfly, and because butterflies fly, I decided I could use that as well. So I'm going to think about how I'm going to use that in my little kind of collection here. So this this photograph is so old, but I absolutely love it. I do have it in just a regular like book of photographs, but I've never scrapbooked many of those because they are older and I already have them somewhere else. But I decided to do it anyway. just because it's a good memory. And the friend on the left has passed away. That's my really close friend, my best friend, who passed away last year, which is weird to say that, but we are in 2020. Anyway, so I did move that butterfly sticker up just a little bit, and also the Let's Do It sticker, so that they both overlap the washi tape. That helps bring things together when you put the pieces over layers. I know I have a lot of new subscribers after Christmas, so that's one of the things you can do. Now I am working with, I just decided since I was in Chamel, I was going to use this sheet. I have lots of these titles left. I think I actually even have a second sheet of these because I accidentally bought a second sheet. This is the glitter stickers from the Chamel Go No Go collection, and they are the Let's Go thickers is what they're called. So I'm just going to move these a little bit. So I like that Take It In because we really did. It was an awesome experience. You know, obviously, you know, to think that this is 18 years ago, or 17 years ago in some months, just blows my mind that it could be that long ago, but it is. All right, then I was looking at the sticker sheet to maybe get a little bit more of this kind of coppery color on this layout because I don't have it anywhere else, and I found that arrow. Then as I was looking for something else, I realized I have nowhere to journal on this. I mean, I could handwrite the journaling. Normally I journal on journaling cards or tags or labels or something. So I went into my boxes of my photo boxes of Elle Studio labels and things, and I found this great tag that really works with the colors here. It's a little bit more green in the aqua, but that's okay. So that gives me a little bit of room to journal on. And I remember this day really well, even today, some of my favorite memories and how amazing it was to be standing on that field with those balloons being blown up and also going up around us. I did think about using that yes because it was like yes to all those things, but it just felt like it was too much. It was another word. And I think the copper is around the photograph. If I had had like a smaller heart or something, I might have done it, but I didn't. Or even a star or something like that. Right, so I'm going back through this sticker book again just to see if there's anything else that I could possibly use. And I'm thinking about perhaps using that pink little tab there. But what I realize is it has silver on it. I have silver nowhere else. And the pink is a little bit different. It's a little bit more, it's a cross between pink and coral, but more to the pink side, so it doesn't work well with the Wander sticker up on the top, so I decided to let that go. Then I'm going to grab some twine here. This is just from a big pack from Hobby Lobby, just to get some navy twine into the top of that tag there. Don't always have to have twine in my tags. Sometimes I'll use an enamel dot or something else, but I decided I wanted to use it for this layout. And there we go. So another really good memory that I've got in my scrapbooks. I've been scrapbooking some earlier photographs, and I'm so pleased with that. So there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots, guys. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye.